Do any of the rooms in your home feel like the frozen food section of a grocery store? A heat pump can be the solution for you.
Heat pumps deliver warmth evenly throughout your home. It's 3 times more energy efficient than your furnace and doubles as air conditioning in the summer.
And with ANGAR's heat pump special, you can get instant rebates on qualified Trane heat pumps through November 15th.
Save up to $900 a year on your energy bills and take advantage of our special 10-year financing for low monthly payments. You can even get a free Trane thermostat to help you better control heating and cooling costs all year long.
So shut the freezer door and warm up your entire home this winter with the new Trane heat pump from ANGAR.